Buju Banton years ago had that very popular homophobic anthem, Boom Bye Bye. Well, it looked like the song has, has magical powers, and it has touched the life of Buju's very own son.
But you see, because my father sang, drag back my memory, but I say weird. No man, no my father sing Boom Bye Bye. See, I almost turn the game because the enemy have my mind. The enemy have my mind are weird.
So you were lusting after men?
More they say lust still, but the idea of it.
So the brother said he was on the brink of turning a fish. You get me? He was this close for becoming an amphibian when he heard and remembered the song Boom Bye Bye in a hurry head. And that was enough to make him, rethink his life and have a territorial redirection and march his way into church. And, now he is able to walk the straight and narrow. And it seems as if coming from that mental health moment in the public, that both Buju's son and daughter have then, taken themselves to church and given them life to Christ and are sporting a different sort of more controlled persona. It is very brave for Jahazeil to, share that part of his journey on a public platform, and so their commendations to him. But Berry does, what do you make of this revelation?